So first off, you open that, put your tea bag in there. You open that, get your teaspoon, put your diabetes maker in there, sugar. Press this button to turn it on. It turned on. Stare at a cat, poke cat, pat cat, love cat. Let that thing squeal. Once this thing's done, you put the water in there. You stir it around. Stupid water. Let it do whatever the hell it's gonna do, and then put this squealy piece of crap back. You scream at me again, I'll kick your butt. Give cat more love. Tell human over there to shut up. Shut up! Stay at brother. Do you know the way? Yes. Knows the way. Knows the way. Die because of that stupid pun. Stack this weird crap on top of each other. Shh. Ooh. Fine milk. Milk. Not listen to parent. Joke. Always listen to parent. Get the mini spider that's off your face. I didn't really step on it. I don't know where it is. It just ran that way. See, look at that tiny dot. Tiny dot. That's a little spider. Decapitate milk and take its head off. Milk decapitated. Boing. And then grab milk and pour it into there. Mix that away, mix that stuff around a bit, and then once you're done, you just squash that stuff into there. And then mix it around, burn your hands while you squash that stuff in there. Ouchie. Have milk magically disappear. Mix it around some more, squash. Pick up. And now you're officially a ghoul. Drink. Bye.